Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today, we'll discuss how to book travel expense in NetSuite. To book travel expenses and assign a check to them in NetSuite, follow these steps. Go to Transactions, Bank, Write Checks. Select the bank account. Choose the account from which the check will be issued. Select the payee. Select the appropriate subsidiary. Enter the transaction date. Add a memo for additional note. Enter a manual check number or leave it to auto-generate. Enter the payee address for the check. Enter expense details in the Expenses sub-tab. Choose the appropriate travel expense account. Enter the cost of each expense. Add details for the memo. If applicable, assign department class and location accordingly. You can also attach receipts or other supporting documents by navigating to the Communication tab, then selecting the Files sub-tab. If you prefer to create an expense report instead of issuing a check for the travel expense, simply follow these steps. Navigate to Transactions, Employees, enter Expense Reports. Select the employee incurring the expense. Enter the date, purpose, and assign department, class, or location if applicable. In the Expenses sub-tab, enter each travel-related expense. Choose the appropriate category. Select the correct currency. Input the amount for the travel expense. Enter a descriptive memo. Under Communication, File sub-tab, attach supporting documents such as receipts. Review the report and click Submit. This method is ideal for employee reimbursements or internal travel expense tracking. And there you have it. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.